That's us at Manchester Airport, Terminal 2, on our way to New York. Happy days. Now let me just tell you something, this has been a childhood dream of mine. Ever since I was obsessed with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, I wanted to go to New York, try a big New York slice pizza. And today we're gonna be traveling to New York to try all these things I've always wanted to try as a kid. Gosh, that's us in New York City. We're about to get in a taxi, which is going to take us round to a helicopter to take us to 30th Street, Manhattan. Let's go and get it. We're looking for a white Mercedes. Is this for David?
David.
Yeah. Okay. Is this okay in here, this bag, yeah?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Got it.
Oh, that was a long flight.
I can imagine. Where you coming from?
Manchester, England.
Oh, wait.
Have you been busy this evening?
Oh yeah, it's been pretty busy. Everybody's coming.
Yeah.
And now it's been really crazy.
It's nice to drive around in one of these though, isn't it?
Oh man, the people love it.
Ah.
Man. You know, a lot of people never been in a Maybach, so it's just really sweet. You know, I take care of them, they take care of me. They love the car, and you know, it's just a good match.
Good vibe. Good vibe. Yeah.
Good vibes. How long you been riding with Blade?
It's the first time.
What? This the first time?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
First time. So yeah, I thought, you know, I just like to do things in style. You know, I like to treat myself a little bit.
That's how we do it, man. So welcome. Glad to have you.
I'm glad to be here.
From the side deep the shoulder and head will be right.
Yep.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Play loading. When you land, a life will be there.
Yeah. Fantastic. Get on that little helicopter. Bosh. Let's have it, boy. What's that all about?
How are you?
Thank you. You okay? Cheers, buddy. Thank you very much. How do we go about booking the return?
Ready to go?
How? Hey. Well, Well, that was eventful, wasn't it? What a fantastic little number that was. Getting ourselves on a little helicopter. Why not? Beats getting a taxi. Make our way down 30th Street now to the hotel. I'm a bit jet lagged. I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning. So I'm gonna make my way to the hotel, get some food, chill out for the evening, but I might go out to get some food later, see what's what. But take a look at this. Absolutely crackers. I'll catch you in a bit. And welcome to New York. What a childhood dream this has been for me. Ever since I was a young child, I used to love Ninja Turtles. And we've come all the way to New York to try some of New York's pizza, some New York donuts, some New York hot dogs, and whatever else we can get our hands on. But first, this morning, I'm going to go and get some McDonald's, see what McDonald's is all about. I've seen a McGriddle I want to get my hands on. And last night, I got here last night and I was absolutely shattered. So I had a little bit of food and I got my head down so I could attack today. I'm going to be meeting up with one of my friends that I served in the armed forces with. Chris is going to be coming here this morning and we're going to be flying around New York, getting up to all sorts. I'm going to take you with me. So for now, I'm going to head off, get some food, get myself sorted, and I'll give you a little tour of the accommodation for next 3 days shenanigans before we head off to Utah to meet up with Let's Get Boozy. But yeah, take a look at this view though. What a view we have here. Look at this bad boy. It's just different class. Everyone waiting down there for the bus. Absolutely crackers. So yeah, we're going to head off to McDonald's now, see what's crack-a-lacking there, come back, have a shower and get ready for today's activities. So yeah, let's have it and see what's happening in the New York City McDonald's. As we seen on the Belgium episode, it was just levels above, and I've just got really good vibes about this McDonald's. We'll see what it's got to offer us. Wrong card. So yeah, it's a bit of it's under construction, this lift thing. See what that's all about. What's that all about? You got the NYPD there, and next door to it you've got a cannabis shop. It's crackers, isn't it? Only in New York City. So it's that way, and then that way to McDonald's. The thing what gets me about America, about New York, is just the grand scale of everything, all the buildings. It's just magnificent. Take a look. So we're coming up to the McDonald's now. Got a Sbarro's here. Has anyone ever had a Sbarro's in the UK? I wonder if it does taste the same, because if it does, then it is authentic New York pizza. But take a look at that. It's just different level, innit? It's just next level stuff. We're approaching McDonald's now, so get ourselves in here and see what it's all about. Here we go, here's your Sbarro's. Sbarro's New York pizza slice. Get into this McDonald's then. Yes, standard English stuff there, your McMuffins. Oh look, this has got a little bit of bacon on there, bit of ham, with a steak and egg McMuffin. Sausage and egg McMuffin. That was surprisingly nice in Belgium. With the beef patty on. Really enjoyed that, really rated that. Let's go for a Mick. Look at this. Egg biscuit. Go for the McGriddle. Here we go. There we have it. We've got the sausage and egg and cheese McGriddle meal. See what this is all about. Thank you for your order. There we go. Just want to check out what it's all about. Order number 936. Some New York coffee and some we're nearly at the hotel room now. Tuck into this, get showered, get ready for the day. Let's go. There we go. Nicer lift then. Nicer walls, bit of raindrop effect. Right up to the 17th floor. Do you want more? 17th floor. See what's going on. Right outside the lift me room is. Get down in there, son. Oh, coffee all over the gaff. Right, let's see what this is all about. Whoa. So, that's all it's about. You know, I'm no #Brady or anything like that. I just like to just see what it's, you know, what it's like compared to, you know, what we get in the UK. And straight away, no, you know what? Wow, them hash browns are a lot more crispier and fluffy, and they taste good. Oh, look at that! Look at that bad boy, a McGriddle. It's like a pancake, I think. Oh, gotta get a bit of a red sauce on that, haven't we, lad? Get a bit of red sauce on there, lad. See what that's saying. Oh. Wow. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, my taste buds are like doing all sorts of stuff here. It's extremely sweet, that. No, what I mean. Wash it down with some coffee. Nice little backdrop there, little skyscraper. Since I had COVID, I'm not a massive coffee lover lately, but that, no. In the UK, I can't eat these. So, well, what the hell's like with chocolate in? Oh, I wish I'd got a bagel now, because them little infusions of like chocolate or cinnamon, whatever that is I'm getting, it's taken away from the egg, the sausage and the cheese. Tomorrow morning for breakfast, I'm going to get a proper New York bagel, sausage cheese bagel. Well, to be fair, that was a bit of a letdown, but that's what we want to do. We want to try new things and experience the stuff that we don't get in the UK. So I think looking at it from that perspective. So the plan is to meet up with my friend Chris, and we're just going to bounce around and then come up to some interesting things. I'll take you on the journey with me. So I'm going to get myself ready now. I'm going to have a nice shower and then start smashing the day and seeing what we can get done in New York City. What's happening, guys? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and smash that bell notification so you are notified for all the upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.